Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the essentials, SSH into the host, confirm admin credentials, and ensure at least 1 GB free disk space. Once done, copy the provided cpid config to /etc/cpid/config. IML and insert your API key so the server can authenticate. Then run the initial start command, sudo systemctl start cpid server. Service to boot the daemon. This gets the process running immediately and reveals startup logs, so you can catch early configuration errors and confirm. Next, you solidify the running instance by configuring network and security. Open the service port, for example 8080, and add a firewall rule with UFWA so the server is reachable but protected. Then enable HTTPS. Obtain a certificate and point TLS cert and TLS key in your config so requests are secure. Also create or update the systemd unit to enable auto-restart on failure and set resource limits. Make sure to reload systemd and apply changes so the server inherits the new settings. Finally, you verify and finalize the deployment by watching live logs with journoctl Use Cpid Server F and testing API endpoints using curl to confirm expected JSON responses. Once validated, create a timestamped backup of your config and restart the service to ensure persistency. Monitor CPU and memory to catch leaks. If something goes wrong, check permissions on config files, confirm the port isn't bound by another process, and review error lines in the journal. Fixing permissions or freeing the port usually resolves startup failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.